In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your settings in the customer contact method on Shopify. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or just starting out, managing how your customers can contact you is crucial for ensuring a smooth interaction and enhancing their experience. So, let's dive in and get started. First off, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin by visiting the Home section of your store. This is your hub for all things related to your Shopify setup, and it's where you'll begin your journey in adjusting your contact settings. Once you're there, locate the Settings button. It's typically found on the lower left corner of your admin page. Click on it to be taken to a page that lists all the configurations for your store. This section is essential as it allows you to control various aspects of your store, including payment, checkout, shipping, and more. Now, amongst these options, find and click on Checkout. This will lead you to a page dedicated to checkout settings where you can fine-tune features that directly affect your customers' buying experience. One of these crucial features is the Customer Contact method. Click on it to open a drop-down of options that specify how customers can reach out to you during their purchase journey. Here, you'll see options for receiving customer contact via phone number or email. Click on Phone Number or Email if you wish to provide customers with the flexibility to choose their preferred method of contact, which can lead to a more personalized experience. Alternatively, you can click on Email if you prefer or require all communications to go through this channel. This option might be ideal if you need to keep a written record of all communications or if you want to streamline customer queries. Next, there is an option labeled Show a link for customers to track their order with Shop. By clicking on this, you're allowing your customers an easy way to follow their package in real time, which can greatly enhance trust and transparency. It's a simple step that can make a big difference in the overall customer experience. Lastly, you may want to enforce extra security and a sense of exclusivity by requiring customers to sign into their account before checkout. To do this, simply click on the option Require customers to sign into their account before checkout. This step ensures that the customers have either registered or are part of your regular clientele, adding a layer of assurance to their shopping experience. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've effectively configured your customer contact settings in Shopify. These changes can significantly impact how your business interacts with its customers, leading to more streamlined operations and possibly increased customer satisfaction. Thanks for joining me today and happy selling!